Welcome back to Sailing and Adventures with Sam and Adam. Today is day 6 of our cruise and we are waking up in Grand Turk. And it doesn't look too great outside today.
We've been to Grand Turk a few times before, and with the weather not really being on our side today, I'm not sure if we're even going to get off the ship.
Let's check out the fun times and see what's happening.
We decided to go for breakfast in the main dining room on deck 3. Carnival offers a port day breakfast for a quick in-and-out meal, but since we're in no hurry today, we just took our time.
After breakfast, we went out to the aft pool area and it was pretty empty. We decided to go up a deck and walk towards the middle of the ship and along the way check out Grand Turk. It was a little windy.
So, scrubby machine.
You can see some of the damage from the previous hurricanes on the island.
Well, there were some folks that are enjoying the day, and there's Margaritaville, where we were planning on heading to. Back on board time was 2:30, so it really wasn't worth it, and with the overcast, the wind, we just decided we're going to head towards our living room area and just relax. It honestly looked like it could storm any minute. Did you know that you can hear the calm before the storm on a cruise ship? Yep. Sounds like a C flat.
No. It looks like today they decorated the ship for Festa Italiana. We will have to check that out later this evening.
And then I found a bird.
Hey, little bird. Where'd he go? There he is. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. It's a little bird. He's in a tree. Yeah.
Where?
Somewhere. He was just over there on the floor.
Normally the leader deck would be packed. This is what it looks like when everyone is off the ship in port.
Carnival Vista started coming in on our port side. The captain came on the overhead and said our ship was going to be staying a few extra hours in port today. Back on board time was now 5:30. The sun was peaking, so we decided to head down to the room, get changed, and head out onto the island.
Alright, we're going to go explore Grand Turk after all. I think it's a sheep.
I think so.
Sheep?
A ram.
It's got like, yeah, sheep, ram, something. But anyway, we got Carnival Vista that has come in beside us over here. So, the water is absolutely gorgeous. The sun keeps peeking out. Gangways have reopened for us. So, we hopped into our swimsuits and we're going to go explore. And the mess of...
Yeah, we're never
we're never this bad. But
I looked at that this morning and I'm like...
Yeah, we're going to clean up before we before we get going. All right, see you soon.
We got off the ship and there were a lot of people from our ship getting back on as they didn't know that our time was extended. And meanwhile, we were now fighting the crowds of the Vista.
There's the usual shops in Grand Turk, ones like Effie, Del Sol, Ron John, the Indigo shops, and there's even a Starbucks.
There was a little pressure from the locals here for chairs on the beach and umbrellas and such. We decided to find a spot over in Margaritaville area and then walk back over to the beach.
We ended up finding 2 chairs together and soon another opened up and we had 3. I just wanted to relax by the pool, check out the surfers on the flow rider, which is around $30 or so for a half-hour session.
While Adam chilled at the pool, Mom and I headed to the ocean. I wanted to get a little snorkeling in. I ended up catching a barracuda along with a lot of other fish.
Back in the pool area, they have a DJ playing dance music. They're running some shot and other drink specials. I wonder if Sam's seeing any fish.
I recommend wearing water shoes here. The beach is sandy, but once you enter the water, it's pretty rocky. There's also spots where it just drops into a hole, and there are some sea urchins, and that might hurt. Then I came across an old cannon, and in this upcoming picture, do you see the camouflage flounder? There's those sea urchins I was telling you about. Hey, what did the sea urchins say to the sea cucumber? With fronds like these, who needs anemones?
I heard that. I decided to go join Sam in the water a bit. It's always pretty cool swimming here because you're really close to the ship. Makes for a good photo op.
Out near the rope there is a ledge, and it just drops off. This is where you will see the bigger fish. Let me know in the comments what fish you saw or would like to see the next time you snorkel. Also, make sure if you have bright colored nail polish, especially on your toes, that you definitely wear your water shoes. Barracudas like those bright colors and have been known to nibble a little bit. Trust me, I know.
There's a shower spot to rinse off between the beach and the pool area. We rinsed the majority of the sand off and then we got in the pool to just float around a while.
Here is like the one in Amber Cove with a swim up bar also.
We noticed that the clouds started to roll in, so we began to pack up and head back to the ship. We did enough shopping yesterday, and as we walked, it started to rain a little bit, or as the locals say, liquid sunshine.
We managed to do a little air snorkeling on our way back to the ship.
The Carnival Vista and the Venezia are sister ships. They both have almost the same weight, around 134,000 gross tons, and hold roughly 3,900 passengers with 1,400 crew. Vista's been cruising since 2016, and the Venezia is a little newer, and it started in 2019 for Costa, then transferred to Carnival in the spring of 2023.
We got back on board to find a note on our bed. We are unable to anchor and tender at Half Moon Cay tomorrow, so it'll now become another sea day.
And of course, when we got back on the ship, the sun came back out. Oh well, we already saw more today than what we anticipated.
Let's hear Adam's analysis of the Vista versus the Venezia.
Funnel? No funnel. Funnel. No funnel. Funnel? No funnel. Funnel.
I never know what is happening in his brain. That's just a little brief example.
right, back to our living room area for a little while, and then time for Festa Italiana.
While waiting, I headed over to Rococo's, which is a classical-looking bar specializing in frozen cocktails. Let's check out the menu.
Myself, I live in the beautiful region. I live in Napoli, down in the southern part of Italy. And I have the wonderful sunny violins for you all. So welcome them out. Make some noise for sunny violins. For you all, give it up for our playlist dancers. All right, cheer them on, everyone, cheer them on. Italia's taking like big chunks. Ooh. All right, so we have 20 more seconds. Keep going. Oh wait! And that's time. We have an empty bowl over here. Gelato was left in each bowl, and we have decided our winner. How are you feeling now that you are the winner, eating 1 pound of gelato in 40 seconds?
I'm gonna wear this everywhere.
We're gonna wear it everywhere. Well, that is you. It is the Carnival.
Go. 3 steps forward. A little more. More. Turn to your left. Keep going left. 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 Around the jar. Go straight in an angle. Down the brown line. You're at the jar. Left. 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 Back to the stage. Towards my voice. Perfect.
Well done. Give it up for Dan. They did amazing. One.
I scared them. It was scared. No, Mike. Do it scared them.
After the festivities, we decided to grab some dinner from the buffet this evening. There was nothing really on the menu that perked our interest, plus we wanted to be done in time for the Love and Marrige show. But here's the menu for tonight anyway.
Let's have some fun, everybody. So question number 1, really simple, really easy. Couples on stage, I want you to write down how you met. When, where, location. Now speaking of boom boom, I now want you to write down...
The Love and Marrige show is one of our favorites. We were actually on it as newlyweds years ago. What they do is they take 3 couples, depending on how many years of marriage, and they ask a bunch of questions. It's pretty funny and sometimes gets a little raunchy.
We all saw that coming. And smaller, the wildest, craziest place, you had the boom boom. Did anyone see you? Dinner for 2. As your favorite or her favorite?
Getting some rough seas out here. They canceled our port tomorrow at Half Moon Cay because of the weather situation. The ship's rocking a little bit. It's pouring rain a little bit ago. I don't know what kind of swells we have, but they're pretty big. Not the biggest I've seen.
Well, it's time for bed, and once again, we hope you enjoyed our very long day. And remember, it's vacay, and there's no wrong way to vacay.
Thanks for watching. Keep coming back for more, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Sailing free, where its tales are born. Every sunset, every morn. Sailing out of the charts unknown. Gone to lands where dreams have flown. Through lands where dreams have flown.